Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XDC. So thank you for your support. So right now, XDC is looking okay. You've hit the 161 here, the fib extension. You're rolling back to a key level support, which is the previous swing high here, okay? And this cluster here, this high, do you see that? So you're holding that as support. Potentially, you're kind of slowing down a little bit, allowing the EMAs to creep back up with you. You are looking relatively healthy here for XDC. I mean, this is a beast, basically. I mean, look at the appreciation from this buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid. You know, that's up a whopping 11,851%. You know, it topped out just at the 1618 at around about 15,665. So, you know, well over 150x, isn't it? It's massive, massive. And it formed that last May. So that's just over a year ago. So that's how well it's doing. And you can see, comes up, consolidates, comes up, consolidates, comes up. You know, these are fib targets that we do expect XDC to get to. So we've got a fib target here at 2, okay, which is 77 cents, and then we've got the overextension at 2.272 fib, which a lot of projects get to in bull markets, okay, a lot of projects. Bitcoin gets to it, Ethereum got to it, XRP got to it. You know, these projects get to it in their bull markets, okay. So again, not financial advice, nothing I say is financial advice, okay. You run into the 1618, you're rolling back for a key level support, you're looking for support. Providing you hold support, you're looking at continuation. You are looking at these price forecasts, okay? So I've done some calculations, and I think that the 77 cents mark, if we go on by market cap, 77 cents with the current circulating supply puts you at $9.42 billion market cap for XDC, okay? And then obviously, if we get to the 2.272 at $2.12, with the current circulating supply, $2.12, that gives it a $25 billion market cap. Now, I am anticipating if we get the continuation of the bull here, and everything's projecting that, providing Bitcoin breaks the high and continues, you know, fully aware, you know, I am predicting an $11 trillion market cap for crypto, $11 trillion market cap. So 25 billion of 11 trillion is a drop in the ocean, basically. So yeah, it's possible, and you can see how that this 2.272 could actually come to fruition. And right now, if it was to continue from here, you would be looking at appreciation of around about 419, over 400% to the 2, and then roughly around about 1,353% for the 2.272 for XDC. So it's all feasible, you know, it's all possible. You know, like I said to you, you come up, consolidate, next leg up, consolidate, next leg up, consolidate. Potentially you could see one big impulsive move here, breaking out key levels of resistance to 1618. You could come up to the 2, consolidate, and then have that last leg up there, the bull run, because I am expecting some kind of impulsive move, retracement, and a new impulsive move for the crypto markets here, taking us up to that 11 trillion. It's not just going to go like that and take off into space, okay? But again, I could be completely wrong. But until we start to lose key levels of support here, that you're on technical targets to the upside, okay? There is a potential bearish pattern that's forming just here, but you are holding a key level of support. So what I'm going to do is show you on the daily time frame right here for XDC, okay? So potentially straight off the bat, you can see you've got this level of support just here, which you're holding as previous, you know, this previous resistance here. Look, you've come up, you've broken it, you back tested it as support, you've broke the high here, you fell into the 1618, you've run into it as resistance, and you're coming back for support, and the support was this previous high. Now, just off the bat, that if you break this high, okay, if you fail to break this high, this is a negative pattern that's forming, because you've got a left shoulder, a head, and potentially if you come up and fail to break the high there, you've got a right shoulder, and with that you've got a technical breakdown target, okay? So this is where you could be on a retreat for another key level support, coming back down potentially to this low down here, okay? So but what you've done here is really bullish, I'll be honest with you. So it's all about losing this support or breaking this resistance. I'm going to show you that support and resistance right now. Lose that support, you could be looking at a correction back down to 5 cents, but if you break this resistance just there, you're looking at continuation, obviously. At 18 cents, you're looking at continuation, because what you've got here is a cup and handle, obviously, and I'm seeing this all over the place. Look, this big cup, you've come back, made this handle like that, you start to come back up, and you've broken the resistance of this cup and handle, yeah? You've come up at the 1618 and you fell back into its support. So this is good, this is good, this is what you want to see. These are your optimal entry points when you're falling back into support. This is where you get involved in these projects. Just there, you know, if it starts to take off into space, always try and buy the support, wait for the back test of support for confirmation. That's where you enter. Do you understand that, with stop losses, obviously? So yeah, this cup and handle pattern does actually have a technical breakout target from here to here, from there to there, and you can see that you've broken that level of resistance. You've come up, you've not quite met the technical target at 21 cents of the cup and handle. You've run into the 1618. You're coming back to support to get your mates to have a go at that target. So from here right now, you know, if you come up and you break that level of resistance, you are looking at a 48% long up. But not only that, you're equally forming a new impulsive wave, which I'll show you right now, gives you another technical target from there to there of around about 25 cents. So you're breaking out of this level of resistance. You've got to break this high. It's all about breaking highs, okay? Break this high, level of resistance there, and you're looking at a 1618, 25 cents token price appreciation. You know, from here right now, if you continue to go on and break that, you're looking at further appreciation of around about 77% for XDC. So yeah, it's all about breaking the high. Again, equally, lose this low here at 12 cents. You will be rolling over, potentially forming this big inverse, big head and shoulders pattern, and as a technical breakdown target to at least come down here to retest this low at 6 cents. Lose that, and you will be looking at a retest of this down here. Okay, and like I said to you, you know, it does this because it goes up. Look, let me show you. So it goes up, gets overextended, comes back to support, and it goes sideways for a bit before continuation. So you know, come up, go sideways for a bit before continuation. It's perfectly healthy. But these are your projections, these are your targets moving forward, providing we can break resistance, holding back tests of support. These are your technical targets up here. Okay, the only way that these become invalidated is if you lose this high. Do you understand that? So if you see a massive market correction here and we enter a bear market and you start to come down now below that, then you're rolling, and these technical targets are out the window. Do you understand that? And you'll be looking at a bear market correction coming back down into the bear. But don't anticipate that, because I think Bitcoin and crypto is doing relatively well. But it is about Bitcoin. If you see Bitcoin breaking at a high, then look at your project and it's going to be breaking its high as well. Okay, so you enjoyed that update. XDC, it's looking good for continuation. This could be a massive trade moving forward. Okay, break that local high there and you're looking at a beautiful little long up right there for XDC. Take care everyone, back soon with another update on XDC. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.